we good?
Yeah, we are good.
Okay guys, so we are going to work on the project car today, and thank you to Jordan for coming along, and he's now going to be my cameraman for the day. So I can concentrate on what I'm doing and get stuff done. Yes, Jordan?
Yeah, man.
Right, so we're going to finish the arches and then just do whatever we can get done today. I'm not sure what that will be, but we will work it out as we go. What do you think of the Chevette progress then, Jordan?
I love the wing. It's so cute.
I don't even think they've seen the wing yet. I brought a wing for the Chevette. This is it, right here.
Pick it up, but I feel like I'll be like proper fancy and then just drop and I'll be like, oops.
Go on, get it. You're fine. Also, there's a Skyline Manta back again.
The wing's almost as long as me. Check that out. How nice is that?
It's all fancy. It's the
Wing.
HS wing. If I remember, I can't remember now. I'm pretty sure it's HS wing though.
It's just a wing, bro.
So, but
Just a snazzy.
my tailgate is currently stuck behind that box over there in the corner. You can just about see the top of it. Go right there. So yeah, that's stuck down there, so I can't actually try this on you.
See, now you know what you need.
What?
I found the place to put your Instagram on it.
Right.
Excellent.
Although I think the keel price is
Gone. It's all good.
Are you hearing this? So you're just gonna pretend that you can't hear it?
That's panel wipe.
Yeah, it does job. There you go.
It's like saying you do a job. So how much you paying a lad? Stop. What's he getting an hour? Film it.
2p.
Oh, I've done that thing again when you chucked it all in the box. You can't remember where it went. Fuck you all.
Look, I have a saw.
saw you.
I'll go for fire. Come on anyway. You made both sides then? Things last Saturday? You did?
Both ready to sort of go.
Oh, cool. Okay. We did spot on it.
Spotlight around the ground and then a football in the rest.
Oh wait, what were you for?
Yeah, don't fit like it used to.
McDonald's break in between and then fucking, what do you call it?
So black.
Right, so this piece now should fit. It's probably not going to fit, but we'll try and get it fit. And then I gotta adjust the upper one, get the upper one to fit, clean up the arches, swap out these. Yeah. Oh shit.
There's no mic, but since last time we got food,
We ate the food.
I ate some of the food.
Jordan went out in that.
I went out in that.
Didn't record any of it.
And I recorded 2 seconds actually. And now Scott's carrying a door on his back. And now we're gonna go get another door. It looks at. It's probably the sharp piece that's sticking out the door. I'm gonna grab your mic when we go back in. But anyway, see you soon. So this is it's a pretty sad part of the video. Scott's just said that he can't be bothered with this whole YouTube thing anymore, and that I should take over his channel. So for any new updates, you can follow my Instagram here. This channel is now mine. Thank you. I'm actually too much of a joker. I know. Oh. Anyway, that's my new whip. My new carber. It won't focus, there we go. Nah, jokes. There's some donuts. Scott's outside talking, but I'm gonna go show you what we've been doing, because Scott doesn't care. Yo, them strawberry donuts, what they're man. Oh, I know Scott's still chatting his head away because the door's up there, but it won't focus. So I'm gonna throw it in manual, and then I can do it myself. Oh, there he is. Hey, how are ya?
Hey.
Don't drop the door, Scott. So, how's your day been today?
Well, sir, it's been alright, you know. I'm a master mechanic and metal worker. Today has just flown by, and I've made no progress whatsoever.
Sounds about right.
you want to grab this?
Nah. So I've done this. Scott's done. What have you
Rusty!
done? What have you done?
Found rust.
What did you do before you found rust?
Got mad because I found rust. And I thought there would be rust.
Oh,
So I got mad.
dark.
Huh?
There we go. Back to work.
Doors need repair.
Yeah.
This is
That's
going in
going
now.
down. That's going
You know, this is the only thing I've actually accomplished today is this one piece is going into the car. Yay. Woohoo.
And I'm going to sit and record him.
Cool. That's fine. It's fine.
Battery's gonna die. Typical.
It's that low already?
Yeah, it's flashing red.
Right, so we failed on the Chevette today.
You failed.
Yeah, I failed on the Chevette today. I need a spit, and I know Nat told me about it this morning. No, not this morning. Yesterday he said put it on a spit. And I thought, right, I can do most of it on the floor today, cut it all out, got it all semi-fitting, and then worked out I do need a spit. So that'll be a job for next week, hopefully. I have got to show a few people around next week, so it's going to be slow progress, but hopefully next week we'll have that done. For now, we're going to clean out my container because very shortly, because I haven't told you yet, my Focus is going to come in here because I brought a new car. Leave your guesses down below. Big hint in the 3 videos ago.
One of the two.
Screw it, I brought an MX-5. Not the one we went to see though. The one we went to see was absolute trash.
For the price.
It was 750 quid and it needed new rear quarters. Sills wasn't too bad, but they probably would have needed changing once I'd done the quarters. The roof was split, there was crash damage on one side, the paint was flaky. There was just too many problems that I didn't want to fix. So I found one. I found one, as in I went home, spoke to my dad about it, and he went, do you know what, just buy mine. So I brought my dad's MX-5 for a bargain. Yes, it does need sills, but I can get through this year without needing to do the sills, hopefully. White body, turbo, big boost. But yeah, so that's what's happening. I haven't got any videos of it yet. When I get insurance, I'll take it to a spot and do a video on it. So yeah, anyway, let's go. So, no progress on the Chevette apart from Jordan managed to strip down the doors, which was like a 5-minute task. So Jordan succeeded more than I did today. So yeah, next week, hopefully, I have got to show a few people around for a little bit. So as long as that doesn't take like overly long, I should be able to get the car on a spit, get it cleaned up and get them bits on. And then after that'll probably take up most of my time next week. And then the week after, if I can leave the spit ends on, then I can put it back on the spit and do the other pieces that I need to do to finish the tubs off. So yeah, that's what's happening. Me and Jordan just had a good clean up of the container.
We know you can.
Yes, before it was interrupted by a dead battery. I don't even know what I was saying. Something about putting the car on the spit. We just had a bit of a clean up in the container and I'm selling some stuff. And we have worked out that my Focus will indeed fit in my container with my Chevette in there, because we've just had to put another car in there, a friend's car, just for the night, so he can put it away properly tomorrow. So yeah, that's been Project Car update. So yeah, it's not even an update. It's episode 9 now.
Oh wow.
And we're not doing too well. Hopefully soon though, I will be buying my roll cage and body kit. Hopefully. Obviously, like I was saying about my Mazda, I've got that. I'm going to be insuring that pretty soon. obviously the true focus, you know, the one that started everything, is going to be staying on the channel. Hopefully, I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. I want to put a bigger engine in it, but at the same time I've been told just put a standard engine back in and just use it as a winter car. And hopefully, if you all enjoyed today's video, helped out by Jordan, if you would like to say a few words, Jordan.
You can follow my Instagram. I already
oh yeah. Obviously, I'm gonna let him. I'm gonna let him shout out his Instagram. So go on, Jordan.
Oh, I already have, but my Instagram's that's yours, and you should go follow it. To be fair.
Is Supercars of the Kingdom dead?
I mean, he was right. I was like, is this a return? And you commented just like, no, he wasn't wrong. You honestly wasn't wrong. Anyway, this has been SATV. Currently on, how many subscribers are you on?
70 something.
SATV now on 70 something subscribers. Niche.